Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to back up WordPress website. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So if you want to back up your WordPress website without worrying of you losing all your data, well, we have two ways for you. Now in this case, if you're using a specific service, like for example, we have Pantheon.io here. If you're using their service, you'll be able to basically create a backup via their system. Now in this case, we are in the site section here, and I just selected my WordPress website here. So we need to go to backup here, and we want to create a new backup here. And from here, once you create a new backup, the files here will appear, and from here you will be able to restore it. But currently, SFTF mode is currently not supported in backing up, so you need to convert this to Git mode. So if you click on set the environment to Git mode, you'll be able to change this one. But changing from SFTF to Git is kind of complicated because there's a lot of few things that you should be considering here. So in this case, if you don't have prior knowledge with using services like this one, and you just want to basically restore or make a backup via the main dashboard for WordPress, well, we have another way. So for that another way, we need to go to our WordPress admin dashboard here, and what we need to do is basically install a plugin. So at the left side here, go ahead and hover over plugins and just click on add new plugin. And from here, what we need to do is search for the following, which is going to be app draft. And from here, just press on enter. Now from here, you should be able to see app draft plus. And from here, just click on install now. And once it is actually installed, what we need to do next is just basically activate the application. So let's go ahead and click on activate. And as you can see, it is now being activated. And as you can see, welcome to app draft plus. So from here, just click on press here to start. Now from here, we'll be able to see these settings. So under settings, we have updraft plus backups. So what we need to do next is we need to back up our file, so our website here. So let's go ahead and click on backup now. From here, take a new backup, include your database in backups, include your files in backups. So you also have the only allowing this backup to be deleted manually. So if you want to enable that, go ahead. But for now, let's just click on backup now. And as you can see, it's going to start the backup process. So for now, let's go ahead and wait for this one. As you can see, the backup has now finished running. As you can see at the bottom side here, we have the existing backups. As you can see, we have the database, plugin, themes, uploads, and must-use plugins and others included in our backup. Now, if you want to basically change a few things, like for example, you want to delete this one, view logs, or if you want to restore, you could go ahead and click on restore. So currently with my website here, let's go ahead and visit our website here. Let's go ahead and click on visit. Maybe you want to visit our site here. In this case, this is my website. So what we need to do here is change a few things. So in this case, let's go ahead and go to pages here. So what we need to do is we need to change a few things. Like for example, we want to basically delete some of the pages here, just to give you an example. So for example, I want to delete my shop page here. Let's just click on trash. And from here, when we actually visit our store page, you'll be able to see page not found. So let's just go back real quickly, and we want to go to our settings again, and we want to go to updraft plus backups. And from here, we also want to go ahead and click on restore. Now from here, it's going to give us different information. So choose the component to restore. So we want to choose everything here if you want. And from here, just click on next. And from here, it's going to say retrieving if necessary and preparing backup files. So let's go ahead and click on restore. But there are warnings. So this database backup has the following non-core WordPress database tables excluded. So from here, if you want to read further into that, but for now, let's go ahead and just click on restore now. And from here, it's going to start the process. So verifying the database, must use plugins, themes, uploads, others, cleaning, and until it reaches the finish state here. As you can see, sometimes it might say restore failed. So sometimes there's going to be difficulties. So if you want to read further this, just click on the following this link log to download the log files for this restoration. So we want to click on return to updraft plus configuration. And from there, we want to search for any problems that might occur during our restoration process. I'll go ahead and fix those. So when you try to basically try restoring your files again, make sure that you click on delete all folders here so that you'll be able to delete all folders from previous restorations. And as you can see, we were able to successfully restore our backup here or our website. Let's go ahead and click on return to app drop flash configuration. And from here, let's go ahead and visit our pages here. And as you can see, the shop or shop page is now back. So when we go ahead and go to visit store here, you'll be able to see our store, which is really cool. So via this UI here and installing a plugin, you'll be able to basically restore your restore your website or your site here just using a plugin. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to you. And if the inspo, thank you for watching.